What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Fortnite easy and cheat is not installed and how we can fix it. So let me directly get into this step. So the first one is all about, we just need to go over here, go to the file explorer, directly navigate to this PC and go to local disk C. Now expand this and navigate to program files. Over here we need to get into the program files. And right now scroll down and navigate to Epic Games. So if you find Epic Games, just get into the folder Epic Games. From here click on the Fortnite, and from here we need to click on Fortnite game, and from here we need to navigate to the binaries. Now from here go to Win64, and right now you need to get into the folder named EC and cheat. And right now you can see we have EC and cheat _e our setup is there. So what we need to do is we just need to right click on this one, go over here, show more options over here, or you can directly click over here. Or what we need to do is we just need to send this to over here. We need to send this to, click on this one and navigate to create a shortcut on the desktop. That's what you have to try. Once it is created, we just need to close this. After close everything, and you can check the shortcut is created. Right click on this one and go for show more options and go to the properties. And right now over here in the target, we have to just check over here, just go over here at the end. Right now setup.exe, you have to put a space, and once you put a space you have to type repair. Once put a space, after the .exe :, you have to put a space and type repair, go for apply and go for OK. And now what we need to do is try launch the game, and that's what we have to try. Next one is we need to add the EC and cheat to the Windows security. So we have the EC and cheat here, or you can just click on the open file location where is the EC and cheat. So just go over here, search for the control panel, and you have to click on the control panel. And right now we need to navigate to system and security, Windows Defender Firewall, navigate to allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and we need to click on the change setting. Whether you have to scroll down and check with E whether the EC and cheat is added. So right now the EC and cheat is not added, so just click on allow another app, go for the browse, navigate to not this one, we need to navigate to the desktop, select the EC and cheat, or right click on this one, or you can directly go to the open file location. So just copy the location over here at the top, copy the location and close this, click on the browse. Now go over here, remove this and paste the location and press enter. So add EC and cheat.setup over here should be added, and put an add. And right now it is added, and you have to put a check on both the boxes, private and public. Once it is done, just close this, and most probably afterwards try launching the Fortnite game. You'll not be having the trouble. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more of these kind of videos. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.